Hi, ladies, it's Catherine, and I just wanted to start by saying I'm so sorry for my voice and the lighting. I'm actually sick and in bed right now, but I made this today and I'm quite pleased with how it turned out, so I wanted to share it with all of you. I bought these digital kits or sets from Mummy Lay this afternoon, and I'm just kind of pleased as punch with them. And I have been wanting to try a daily insert for a while, but nothing seemed quite right. And in the process of resizing these from an A6 to a pocket, I thought to myself, why not take some of these elements and look at how this was done and try to make something that works for me. So that's kind of what I did. Um, there are things that I've been struggling with on a daily basis. Like I need to be doing me time, whether it's just a little bit of time filming a video or reading a book, taking a bubble bath. I keep getting sick. My husband keeps getting sick. It's a very stressful situation. So it's one of those things where you can't take care of someone else if you're not taking care of yourself. So I need to be doing this. And if it's on my daily spread, it's like, no, you have to do it. So I think that's where I've been struggling because it's easy to ignore things in the notes section. But yeah, this kind of makes it like, no, you have to do it. And then there's other little things like my husband is, how do I put this, hilarious. He likes to add things to the shopping list like candy and toys, and that is funny. But then I run out of space to actually write things. So this I think is going to work better, and just I can add things every day as I need to because I won't add something I need to buy on Amazon to that shopping list in the kitchen that's like for groceries. But I think just having the space to write a list every day means something will actually get purchased. So that would be good. And then, oh, if you're wondering why there's only 2 meals, I only serve 2 meals. I do not serve snacks and I do not serve breakfast. You can get your own breakfast. And yes, I do provide lunch and dinner and I cook. So those are the only 2 meals here. Then the chores and the to do, I've had so many people say to me that they love how those sections in my planner, just I've done them different ways. There's not too much on them and it makes it seem much more manageable. But that's what it's all about. I don't really like to have more than 5, at the very, very most 6 for either of these, because once you start piling these things on, that's when things stop getting done. It doesn't matter if your to-dos are a doctor's appointment, a lunch date, waiting for a repair person or a delivery. Those things all take time. And when you have 17, then something's not getting done. And that's when you start feeling stressed out and, you're running late and then people fight. So I try to head that off by keeping it manageable from the outset. If you can't fit it in those 5 spaces, it's just not getting done because it's not getting done no matter what. So why put it down? And the same thing with chores. I don't like to have more than 5, and it can be vacuum like one level of the house or clean just one bathroom. And if it doesn't get done, you move it to the next day. It's not the end of the world, and I really do believe that it keeps it all manageable. And it keeps people from that feeling of failure, that sort of thing. So then there's the social media. It's not something that I have to do, but it's something that I like to do. And it's something that gets neglected. I've learned that it's one of the first things that gets neglected when things get crazy, and I do like to do it. So this is just a little space for me to be able to jot down what is stuff I want to do or stuff that I did do, little things like that, just any ideas that I might have. And then up here, this is just, if there's something important that I need to remember to put in my planner for next week or what have you, I can put that there. And I as I was doing this, I was like, there's no place to put a date. There's no place to put a date. But ultimately, I think I just put it down right here, because this is, I need to know what days and my husband works and what hours. So it just makes sense to actually have it right near his work. But yeah, so once I remake this, I will try to actually put it to use and come back and share how it went. All right, bye.